is Michelle. I'm 3 years old. Today is a very nice day to rocking these cool outfits. The weather is kind of really cool, like folly or summery. It's kind of late summer outfits, I think. My first look is kind of hoodie with this skirt towel. I got it from Nordstrom. The materials are pretty soft, so I like that. For the skirt towels, it's from Old Navy. I love the styles. They have pretty cool things in the back, so I love it. But for my sandals, it's from Target. I love these sandals. It's a really cool color that I have. And also, the sunglasses is from Target. And I thought it's pretty cool ideas. So why not? You can try that out. It's really comfy and like casual look. So for my next outfit will be the denims. I think everybody likes denims, right? For my jacket, I got from TJ Maxx. For the shorts, I got from Target. But these are pretty cool things that I can wear late summer. For my sneakers, I got from Old Navy. The cool thing about this is it's also denim material, so I love it. I think this is pretty cool outfit for the folly or late summery look. For my sunglasses, I got from Target. It's kind of star, so I love it. So I just wanted to show you my third outfit will be this cool, classy look. Oh my gosh, I love being like off-sea, at the same time with the casual. It's like in between. So my sunglasses, I told it before, I mentioned it earlier, I got from Target. For my sweaters, shorts, and you know, the boots, I got from Old Navy. I think that is pretty cool, matching colors and all that. But I forgot where I get my outerwear, as well as the belt and chokers. Chokers are the pretty good idea to rock every single outfit, whether it's casual or, you know, classy.
Oh ma douce souffrance, pourquoi s'acharner, tu recommences. Je ne suis qu'un être sans importance. Sans lui je suis un peu paro. Je déambule seule dans le métro.
It's really comfy.
Une dernière danse pour oublier ma peine immense. Je veux m'enfuir, que tout recommence.
Every single items I got from Old Navy, so you can go there and check that out.